In previous problem, we had seen about less than OGIV, that is completed. Now, in this, we will find out greater than OGIV for this data. This data written like this: height written as class interval, number of students written as frequency. Now, we will draw the greater than OGIV for this data. To draw greater than OGIV, first find out greater than cumulative frequencies. Greater than cumulative frequencies. To find out greater than cumulative frequencies, we should select highest class, which is the least class, which is the highest class. We should move from bottom to top. We should add frequencies from bottom to top. First 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 27 plus 5, 32. Therefore, this is the greater than cumulative frequency. Now, to draw greater than cumulative frequency curve, we should consider only lower limits. Lower limits. Write lower limits as x coordinate, greater than cumulative frequency as y coordinate. In this order, prepare ordered pairs. First lower limit 90, 32, 90, 32, 127, 110, 25, 120, 22, 130, 14, 146, 146. Now we should take lower limits on x-axis. We should consider greater than cumulative frequency on y-axis. Now I am considering lower limits on x-axis, greater than cumulative frequency on y-axis. Greater than cumulative frequencies on y-axis. Here, lower limits started from 90, 90, 100, 110, 120, like that. Therefore, here in our graph, we are starting with 90, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Therefore, I am taking each centimeter as 10 units. Each 10 centimeter as 10 units on x-axis. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units taking. Similarly, on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units considering. Our greater than cumulative frequency is started from 32. Highest value is 32. Least value is 6. That's why I am taking 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. 2, 4, 6, like that. Here first ordered pair is 90, 32. Here x value is 90, y value is 32. Therefore, from 90 a perpendicular is there, from 32 a perpendicular is there. Therefore, here we got here an ordered pair. Similarly, 127. 100 is there. Here between 26 and 27, 27 is there. Like that, 120, 25, 120, 22, 130, 14, 146 identified and joined these points from top to bottom. Therefore, which is the greater than cumulative frequency curve. Here, from this greater than cumulative frequency curve, we should find out the value of median. To find out the median, first n value is required. Here n value is equal to what? 32. Now by 2, this is 16. Now from 16, in our ogive curve, from 16 draw a perpendicular which is intersecting at 120 here. This perpendicular intersecting here. Here means which is 120, 125, 6, 7, 8. At 125 intersecting. Now draw perpendicular here. Here which intersect it's 128. Therefore this 128 is the median. Therefore first n found, half of the n value is 16. From that 16 perpendicular drawn which is intersecting our greater than ogive at 128. Therefore median is the 128.